In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to add your region on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to share your location with friends and family. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account. Head to your favorite web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your profile. Once you're logged in, go to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your name or profile picture at the top of the homepage. This will take you to your personal profile where you can edit your details. Next, look for the option that says Edit Details just beneath your profile photo. Click on this link to access the section where you can update your information. Now, scroll down until you find the Current City section. This is where you can add or change your location. Facebook makes it simple for you to showcase where you are living right now. Here's where it gets exciting. Click on Add next to the Current City prompt. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your current city. Type in the name of your city or region. Facebook often suggests locations, so you may see your city pop up in the drop-down menu. Just click on it to select. After you've entered your current city, don't forget to tap Save. This action will update your profile and let your friends know about your current location. And there you have it. You've successfully added your region on Facebook. Now your friends can stay in the loop about where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.